Please take your blocks. आइए. First, your hand rotation like this. Long inhale up, exhale down, nice. With the breath, inhale up, exhale down. 1, 2, slowly. 3 with the breath. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, reverse please. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Long inhale. Exhale. Now catch one block please here. Like this. Take a long inhale. Stretch your hand forward, long inhale. Exhale. Twist your body towards right hand side like this. Your gaze on a block. Long inhale with the breath. Inhale forward. Exhale other side. Inhale. आपका पूरा ध्यान आपके ब्लॉक पे और हाथ सीधा रहेगी. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and hold please. Keep your elbow straight. 1, 2, 3. Elbow सीधा रखिए. 4, 5, 6, 7. Hand forward please. Long inhale. Exhale other side. Keep stretch your hand. 1 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax please. Your block put on a spine position like this. Long inhale. Exhale. Bend back like this. Inhale up. Exhale down forward. Stretch your hand. Stretch your hand. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale bend back. Back here. Inhale up. Exhale down forward. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale bend back. Maximum back please. Up with the breath. Exhale down forward. Focus on the breath. Inhale up. Exhale bend back and hold here please. 1, 2 more. 3 go. 4, 5, 6 और पीछे. 7 up. Inhale. Exhale down forward. Stretch your hand upside. Maximum go. 1 sir. 2 थोड़ा और. 3, 4, 5 सीधा रखिए. 6 keep it. 7 more. 8 up. Long inhale and exhale. Take your both blocks please. Both inhale. Long inhale. Exhale stretch like this. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale with a breath. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Up. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax please. Long inhale and exhale. Face this side wide leg please here. Take long inhale and exhale. With both hands shoulder level and down again. Stretch your hand. 1, make your chin spine. 1, 2, 3, keep smiling your face. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with the left hand cross the right foot and the right hand up like this. Stretch please. 1, 2, हाथ बदलिए. 3, yes. 4, here. 5, यहाँ पे रखिए सर. 6, 7, इधर रखिए आप. 8, switch please. Up and switch please. Maximum twist. Look up. Keep it सीधा रखिए leg. 1, 2, 3, ऊपर देखिए. 4, 5, 6, सीधा रखिए मैडम. 7, 8, relax. Close your leg and shake your leg please. Please come top of the mat. Do with me, okay? Inhale both hand up. Inhale up please. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Yes. Inhale, right leg back. Make a gap, madam, please. Now your left hand up. Left hand up. Left hand down. Your left leg back. Drop your knee. Your heart and your chin like this. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Stretch up. Exhale, Parvatasana. Yes. Inhale, right leg forward. Your right hand up. Right hand down. Left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back with the block. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left hand up, please. Left hand down. Left leg back. Drop your knee, your heart is on your chin. Inhale up. Stretch your body up side with a breath. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward between your hand, your right hand up. Right hand down. Left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Together, inhale your right leg back. Left hand up. Left hand down. Left leg back. Drop in heart and chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Now your right leg forward. Right hand up. Right hand down. Left leg forward. Inhale up. Bend back. Just like this. Long inhale. Exhale. Now switch your side please and together, okay? Join the palm like this. Asana. You are also coming. Now inhale both hands up with the breath. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, left leg back. Right hand up. Right hand down. Right leg back. Drop your knee, heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg forward. Your left hand up. Left hand down. Right leg forward. Inhale up, bend back, and join to palm. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, left leg back. Right hand up. Right hand down. Right leg back. Drop in heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Yes. Inhale, your left leg forward. left hand up, left hand down, right leg forward, inhale up, bend back, maximum back, exhale, join to palm, together please. Now, inhale both hand up, bend back, exhale down, Padasthasana. Inhale your left leg back, yes, right hand up, right hand down, back your leg please, right leg drop in heart in chin, up in Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Inhale your left leg forward, left hand up, left hand down, right leg forward, inhale up, bend back, join to palm, yes, inhale up, exhale down, Padasthasana. Inhale your left leg back, your right hand up, right hand down, back your leg please, drop in heart in chin, up in Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Yes, inhale your left leg forward, left hand up, left hand down, right leg forward, inhale up, bend back, last round here, exhale down, Padasthasana, come niche, inhale left leg back, right hand up, right hand down, back your leg, drop in heart in chin, up in Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Inhale left leg forward, left hand up, left hand down, right leg forward, inhale up, bend back, and relax please. Just relax please. Take a breath, long inhale and exhale. Just relax your body and your breath here. Please come, top of the mat. Now take your block again. Your left leg back, right leg forward, right leg forward. Yes, now both hands shoulder level and bend your right knee like this. Bend your right knee. Yes, look here. 1, 2, थोड़ा bend कीजिए. 3, बस. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left hand back, right hand up with the block. Left hand back, right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, now both hand up, stretch upside, maximum stretch back please. 1, 2, थोड़ा twist कीजिए. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leg straight and stretch your hand forward like this. Keep your leg straight. Both legs straight, madam. 1, आइए. 2, upper part down, madam. 3, down. More down. 4, 5, down कीजिए. 6, 7, 8. Madam. Now your left hand down here, right hand up. Left hand down. Yes, take support with the block and right hand up. Yes. 1, 2, 3, look up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both hand down. Keep your leg straight. Keep your leg straight. 1, 2, straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take support with the blocks and leg up like this. Leg up. You can take support with the blocks. Stretch your leg upside. Yes. 1 more up your leg. 2 very good पूर्वी जी. Yes 3 very good all of you. 4 5 अच्छा कर रहे हैं. 6 7 अगर ऐसे रखेंगे ना 8 तो ज्यादा सपोर्ट मिलेगा आपको. 8 9 close the leg. Shake your leg please. Now switch please your left leg forward. Your both hand shoulder level and bend your knee. 1 पाँव थोड़ा आगे. 2 सामने देखिए. 3 4 5 6 7. Your right hand back, left hand up. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes. Your both hand up and stretch please. 1 both hand up please. 2 up. 3 bend your knee sir. 4 very good. 5 उधर ही रहना है. 6 more stretch please. 7 madam. 8 relax please. Keep your leg straight and stretch forward please. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Your left hand down, right hand down here, left hand up, right hand down. Yes, very good. Keep your leg straight. Keep your leg straight. 1 2 3 4 5. Keep smiling. 6 7 8. Both hand down. 1 2 3. Keep leg straight. 5 6 7 8. Your back leg up please. Back leg up. Take support and leg up please. उठाइए पीछे leg उठाइए और ऊपर और ऊपर. 1 2 more up. 3 4 5. Relax please. Long inhale, exhale.